In this video, we will configure Intune Kiosk Mode on Windows 11 using the single app kiosk setup. A kiosk in Intune is a specialized configuration that locks down a Windows 10 or Windows 11 device to operate in a restricted mode, allowing user to access only a specific app or functions instead of full desktop experience. Let's suppose in your organization you have been asked to set up Windows 11 as a kiosk device. So I will demonstrate you how to create a kiosk policy in Intune. Then we will configure the browser to launch the Yahoo website, and we will apply the policy to the group where Windows 11 is present. Finally, we will verify that the kiosk mode is successfully applied, ensuring that the user can only access the browser and are restricted for the rest of the desktop environment. Let's move towards the lab. Before performing this lab, you should enroll the Windows 11 device to the Microsoft Intune. If you want to enroll the device to Microsoft Intune, you can check it from my previous video. This device has been enrolled to Microsoft Intune. First of all, we will create the group in Intune Admin Center. For that, select the groups. We will assign this group to the policy which we will create. Select all groups. We will create a security group, and the name of the group will be kiosk device. And description, kiosk devices group. In the membership type, select assigned. In the members, select no members selected. Select the client as a member and create the group. Group has been successfully created. Now we will create the policy. Select the device. Drop down and select the configuration. Under the manage, select create and new policy. Here we will select Windows 10 and letter. Select template. We'll drop down and select the kiosk. Let's create. The name type the kiosk policy and description kiosk setting. Click next. Here we will select the single app full screen kiosk. User logon type, select auto logon Windows 10 version 18.03 and later or Windows 11. In the application type, select Microsoft Edge. Type the URL that you want to publish. I will type Yahoo www.yahoo.com and select public browsing and private and refresh every 5 minutes. On the specific maintenance windows for app restart, we will select not configured. Next, in the assignment, we will add the group which we have created earlier. We will add the kiosk setting, select and click next. In the application role, select next, review and create. We will refresh. Policy has been successfully created. Before verifying the setting, we will sync the window 11 to the Intune. So open the settings by right clicking the start button. Select accounts, access or school, and drop down. Select info and sync it. Synchronization has been completed successfully. It will take at least 10 to 15 minutes to complete. We will restart the machine and will verify that either the kiosk policy has been applied or not. Restart. It's restarting. After restarting, it's login with kiosk, and you will see only the browser and not all complete desktop will be there. Select OK. As you can see that the Yahoo page has been opened, and if I close it, you will not see any desktop setting and other. That's it for this video.